Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today we're here with JayFlatOut from Las Vegas. He's made the trip down to do his third truck project with us. So he has a, I believe it's a 2018?
Yeah, 2018.
2500, he can tell you a little bit more.
Just picked this up recently, traded in my 1500 Eco Diesel that we got built here last year, the CJC Off-Road, for this 2018 2500 Cummins Mega Cab this time. I had people sit in my backseat twice in the last year, so I decided to get the Mega Cab with the reclining seats. I want to do something a little bit different. We've done a Fox leveling kit, we did a Carli coilover kit, and this time I want to go a little bit bigger with the wheels and not lose any of my factory towing specs. So obviously trusted the guys I always come to, and what are we going to do today?
Today we're going to do the Carli Suspension Pintop leveling kit. Now in our opinion, this is the best readily available leveling kit for these trucks. It has 4 custom tuned King shocks, the Carli soft ride leveling coils, and then the Carli adjustable track bar.
So one thing, as you know from talking to me for a number of years now, I absolutely don't want the rear to go up at all.
Yes, he's very much a stickler on the rear height. So with this one, the Carli Pintop leveling kit is just going to use their front soft ride coils. This is not their 3-inch kit that includes the radius arm drops, the coils, and all that. This is just their leveling kit. He had it on his 3500 before, but he had the Fox shock package, and this time we're going to step it up to the King shock package. All right, so here we have the Carli Pintop leveling shock package. It's 4 shocks. The fronts are remote reservoir shock, meaning it has the hose going to the reservoir. The backs are piggyback reservoir, which means they are attached using the billet bracket that goes on the King shocks. And the unique thing about a Carli tuned Pintop shock package is it has the stainless shock shafts, so the shocks cannot chip and flake or rust like a traditional King shock would with the chrome shafts. That's something especially useful in like the, up north in Canada, the Northeast in America, where there's a lot of salt on the road, a lot of corrosion. The stainless shafts are going to prevent a lot of that. And like I said, they also cannot nick or chip, and that ends up tearing the seals on the chrome shaft. So these shocks typically last a lot longer. They also use a proprietary shock piston that Carli Suspension has designed to make these King shocks work a little bit better on the heavy-duty trucks, because they do put the load a little bit different on the King shock as compared to like a 1500 with a coilover or something like that. All right, now when you see the term Pintop shock online, it's mainly referring to the mounting style right here. This bolts into the factory stem top mount on the front of these trucks and also on the rear of the newer 2500s. So that term is sometimes confused with guys who are a little bit new to this hobby, but it's strictly referring to this mount. So these are a really nice shock package. Again, internally they have the Carli proprietary piston. These ones also come with the Carli, their version of the King sticker. They do really well, again, in harsh environments like up north, the Northeast, things like that. And a ton of these are even in the oil field. We got a lot of work trucks with these, and everyone seems to like them.
All right, I'm excited to see how it turns out.
All right, here we are. I got the finished product behind me. We just did the test drive and the alignment. We did the Carli Pintop leveling kit, the 37-inch Toyo RTs with the 20-inch Raceline clutch wheels. We picked the offset that's going to work best with these 37s. In this wheel model, it's the 5.47 or the plus 12 offset. And yeah, he can attest for the ride. What'd you think?
Yeah, so I just took it on a quick ride around some bumpy streets, and the on-road capability and the on-road ride is much better, and obviously the in-cab ride is greatly improved. So definitely happy with that. One quick question on these tires: have I lost any towing capability on these tires?
With these tires, these are an E-rated tire with the 3720, so you can still tow plenty. And also, we did not change the rear coil spring. So for these 2500s, where capacity is already on the lighter side as far as the squat from equipment trailers and things like that, this truck still retains those coils, and it's going to give him his factory towing capacity. It should work quite well for your applications.
Okay, good. Well, it looks great. It came out amazing. The truck's only got 700 miles, so I pretty much brought it almost straight from the dealer here, and now I can enjoy how it looks going forward.
Yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more about this truck, go over to Jay's channel. It's JayFlatOut, and he'll be posting more videos along the way with different parts and different upgrades. If you like the video about the suspension and you want to find out more, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.